Bonjour.
Voilà. The government basically will serve as a market guardian for better environment of doing business and investment after it enters into force. For Chinese and the European companies, both will benefit from much wider investment access and the better protection in their respective EU and the Chinese market. For the ordinary people, I think they will benefit at least from two fronts. First, the agreement will remove the barriers and help facilitate more investment into China and the EU respectively, which in return will create more jobs in various sectors. Secondly, the incremental investment will increase supplies of services and goods, which will enrich the option of the consumers. China and the EU have shared common languages in multilateralism, free trade and investment, green development, and world peace at the global stage. Those have laid a solid foundation for our future cooperation. My confidence also results from the strong vision, determination, and the shift actions ranging from politicians to ordinary Chinese and Europeans in 2020. China and the EU concluding the CAI negotiation is injecting much needed new life into the world economy, which has suffered from recession mainly caused by COVID-19 pandemic. This will help more countries regain confidence in investment facilitation and trade liberalization when multilateral trading system suffers from setbacks. When the agreement goes into implementation, the increased investment flow will surely generate more economic output, which will not only benefit China and the EU, but also help the global economy work out of severe recession.